Water is the most abundant liquid on Earth and a major component of all cells. In fact, 71% of the Earth's surface is covered in water. The cytoplasm and vacuoles of all cells, and hence life, are composed of water. For the exam, you don't need to quote these numbers, but you do need to explain the importance of the water cycle, and hence water, to living organisms. So how is the fresh water needed for life related to the water in the seas? The water cycle provides fresh water for plants and animals on land before draining into the seas. This diagram shows an overview of the water cycle. This fresh water comes from precipitation and is used by plants and animals on land. For the exam, you need to explain these processes. So, what are the processes within the water cycle? The water cycle is composed of several processes. This table shows the series of processes that form the water cycle. So we have precipitation, runoff, infiltration, subsurface flow, evaporation, transpiration, and condensation. What's involved in each of these processes? One of the processes is precipitation, which refers to rain. Precipitation is the term for rain. So when it rains, what's the next part in the process? As the water moves across the land, we refer to this as runoff. So runoff is the term used for the movement of water across the land. This water then seeps underground, referred to as infiltration. Infiltration is water seeping into the ground and is then referred to as groundwater. The groundwater then begins to flow underground. This flow of groundwater is referred to as subsurface flow. Remember that runoff is water flowing above the surface. This term is fairly self-explanatory, sub meaning under, so under the surface flow of water. Energy transfers to the water and it becomes a gas state. We call this process evaporation. This is the utilization of energy, normally from the sun, to turn liquid water into a gas. When water evaporates from leaves, we refer to it as transpiration. So transpiration is the evaporation of water from leaves. When energy transfers out from the gaseous water, clouds form. Through the transfer of energy out, the evaporated water turns from a gas to a liquid and forms clouds in the process of condensation. So how are all of these processes linked? Water is continuously evaporated and precipitated. This leads to a continuous cycle that repeats over and over and over again. You need to remember this for the exam.
Thanks for watching. If you want to take your GCSE revision to the next level, head over to launchpadlearning.com and check out our smart learning platform that's been designed to get you top results in your exams. We cover your whole specification and make revision fun with interactive quizzes, easy-to-follow videos, and more. You'll be kept motivated by your own AI tutor who's here to support you every step of the way. To check it out for yourself, click here. Or click here to keep watching a selection of the videos from our full GCSE Biology course. See you there!